Hey guys, how to download GTA Vice City from Steam on laptop or PC. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, open a web browser in your laptop. I use Google Chrome. I open it and search Steam. Link in description. And then click the first link, Welcome to Steam. And then you see the top right, Install Steam, click on it. And again click the Install Steam. And that's of Steam downloading will started. Please wait. Downloading will completed to open download folder in your laptop, or click the show folder. This is shortcut. And this is the Steam setup. Double click and install Steam from here, but my laptop is already installed. After installation, open Steam and sign in or create an account. And then click the top search bar and type GTA, press enter. And this is all GTA games. Scroll down and find Vice City. This one is Vice City, click on it. And enter here your date of birth, and click the view page. And scroll down, you see the add to card, click on it. And then click the view my card. And click the continue payments. And continue payments from here. And this is the payments method, select one. After submitting the payments, your game will be added to library. Go to library and find here Vice City, click on it. And like this the install button, and install from here.